Hello there and welcome once again to my workshop. Now we're looking at the Douglas shaper. I've got it running well and I've got the pinion and bore gears aligned nicely. I talked about this briefly in the previous video where I used some folded strips of paper to actually set the alignment between the two gears. So now is the time to lock this in to preserve the alignment where it's running very nicely. The drill can't get close enough into the bore gear bearing to actually put the hole in where I want to fit the dowel pin. So what I have to do is make up a little extension bar. I've already got one, it just needs a little bit of work to make it useful for this job. Here is the extension bar that I've got. I think it's fitted for a 4mm or 3mm drill, and the last time I was using it was when I was fitting the DRO scales onto my milling machine. So I'll have to do a little bit of work and make it a little bit more general purpose. I'm getting set up to drill out the screw that is retaining the, I think it's a 3.5mm drill, and I'll probably replace that with a grub screw so that I can use this more generally. The other thing to note on this milling machine is I've replaced the old light with a new LED light, and the quality of the illumination and just the usability of the machine has improved a bit. And I've been tidying up and I lost the spanner, or I misplaced the spanner that I used for doing up the feed dogs. It was 5/16, and so I found a little Whitworth spanner which does the job very nicely. So when I started machining, I thought I'd entered the new world of metric. Everything was going to be metric. But because I've got machines from the 1940s and the 1950s, I'm finding that AF and Whitworth spanners are very helpful. So if anyone has any old spanners that are Whitworth that they don't want, please get in touch. You can see here that I've made up a new drill extension and I've punched the spot where I want to drill, so I'll give it a go. Now you can see that I've inserted a 25mm by 5mm dowel which should hold the position of the bearing the next time we have to take the bore gear out, which I hope will be a very long time. The drill extension I made didn't work particularly well. I think next time I would be better off getting an extended length drill, but we got there in the end, so that's another job finished. So we'll see you next time.